Quick update. I've been working with a laser machine sent by Aliencell. It's a pretty large machine. It's not small. It's really large. So thanks to Aliencell for sending this. This is not the official video that I'm testing, but I want to share the progress of this prototype. It's a large scale tank engine Thomas. Here's a comparison so you see side by side how small the Trackmaster model or Tomy looks compared to this model. Now the wooden part has been glued. I have not glued yet. These parts need to be painted. Same applies to the funnel and the dome. These pieces, like I say, they are not glued yet, but let me show you how performs really good. Splashers or arches, wheel arches, whatever you name it, not glued yet. We need to paint the back. The purpose of this test is for laser cutter, but my idea is once I finish with the main prototype, I will sand and paint. Actually need some filling and then primer and paint. It looks and works perfect for now. I'm not done yet with the roof, and I think maybe I'm gonna add some window frames 3D printed, but the main goal is like I say, laser cut parts for the brand. But I've been thinking probably I might add some 3D printed parts like the wheels, which looks much better. And I do have also the steps that should be glued after it's painted or something like that. But so far it's looking good, and like I say, it's a quick update on a large scale model.